Don't. You just broke it?
No.
You just broke it.
No.
You just broke it.
No.
Yes, you did.
On this episode of Steadfast 2277, we're going to upgrade these crummy old LED light bulbs to better LED light bulbs. Imagine we put it in and then they're not bright.
They're staying in then.
They're staying in. Oh, I lost my flipper. Okay. So there's these. They're freaking hot. Holy cow. Actually, I'm not going to speed this, so I'm just going to do it. And those ones are out. And putting in these ones. So here's, they both still have the fan on them. I mean, look at that inside. I don't know if you can see. I'm burning my hands. It's all corrosion there already.
The old ones?
Yeah. It's a little weird, huh? Pay for what you get, I guess. Oh, wait a minute. These have the...
Yeah, remember you had to take them out like last time? Like that.
And then... Was it like that?
Yep. That's exactly how we did it last time.
Or was it like this? No?
No.
Better? No? Okay. Oh boy. So it went like this? Or what did I do? Did I... This is how not to install light bulbs. Holy cow. You sure I did it like that?
I did it like that.
I did it like that.
Me, I was the one that did it like that.
Oh, you did it? And then you what? Just twist it?
Mark, hold this.
You got it,
It's
boss.
recording.
Okay.
You grab it like this. See how it has this red thing here?
Yeah.
Like this. Go like this. And there. That's what I did with the other ones.
How did that work out for you?
Because with the other ones, they had this little thing that would go in it.
I thought I cut the other one.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did. Remember I took the Dremel to it and I bored it down so it would fit
You
it?
didn't do it to this one.
No, I did it to the other one.
I don't want to do that. Why can't we just put it in like this?
So it won't, I don't think it'll work.
Why not?
Alright, we'll try. Here. I think. Yeah, it's because of that. See that? It needs to go through it.
Mm-hmm.
But it can't.
Don't. You just broke it?
No.
You just broke it.
No.
You just broke it.
No.
Yes, you did. You're such a liar. Let me see.
No, I didn't break it. I gotta get it out now.
You fucking broke it. You son of a gun.
No, I didn't.
Let me see it.
No.
Let me see it.
Transmission shot, bumpers have fallen off. What do I do with her? I sell her. We really should weld these bumpers on, but that takes time, equipment, money. So, we use super glue instead. Go ahead, put it on there.
Won't it fall off?
Definitely.
All right, Allison, how do we do it? How do we get it in there? This aftermarket stuff.
By hacking it.
But
That's what we do best.
that's right. Mark's Chop Shop right here.
Oh, well, it worked.
That's right, doesn't come out. So that means we're good to go. Let's pop that puppy back in. Put that one there. Let's see.
Like this?
Yeah, you gotta spin it.
How do I know when to stop?
It'll stop.
Stop stopping.
No, stop it right here. Maybe we broke it.
God, let's hope not.
Oh, it's the wrong way, Allison. That's supposed to go in like that. And it's,
Oh, is it?
yeah. Alright, so we gotta refix it.
Okay.
Alright.
So what I did was I stuck it in one side and then I pushed this in like this with my nail.
Oh,
There you go.
almost.
There you
Gotta
go.
get it up.
I was filming your hand. There you go.
Perfect. And then. Oop.
Are you sure that's the right way?
Yeah. There.
Yeah? Okay.
Alright.
So now let's
Now you-
connect it.
Plug it in.
Oh no.
Hold on. Go to the front.
Where is it? I can't even see it.
Allison. It's right here.
Did it work?
Yeah, I just gotta make it so it doesn't wobble anymore. Because it broke. So it's right there where it broke. And that's why it's wobbling. So just gotta put a dab of bonding agent to it.
But what about when I want to change it? If I ever want to
It'll
change
come out.
It'll come out?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm taking a shower in sweat here. It's disgusting.
Alright, well. Off camera we'll do that. Alright, let's go over here. It went in like that, so this has to go in like this. So how did you break it, Allison, last time?
I didn't break it, you did.
Should I break it?
Be careful, like
It
what
just
if...
needs to be dremeled.
Then I guess you could do that.
Remember you did the whole time? I got an idea.
Okay. Let's see what his hack job idea is.
2 hours later.
Alright, now we got the second one in after. We didn't hack that one. Alright?
We didn't hack which one?
See, that one's in there. We didn't hack that one. That one's how you do it. So, aftermarket ones, sometimes they need a little bit of TLC to get them to work. That's what we did. We didn't jeopardize the structure of it like we did on that one because Allison broke it.
No, I didn't.
So after that, you want to make sure they work. Your keys.
Oh. They don't, my headlights don't go on like that.
Ah,
No.
on?
No. Now they're on. That one's not working. The one we hacked isn't working.
It's on.
When, how come this one's so much brighter?
Because that one's up at an angle at you. But it's a lot more like clear.
Oh,
Remember
okay.
the other one was like a blue?
You think so? I don't know. We have to come back out at night and show.
Yeah, you guys are.
What it
yeah,
looks
we got
like.
the before one already. So we'll
Yeah.
show the after
So
one.
we'll show after.
But yeah, so you can come closer. You can hear it, and you can see it. The fan that spins to cool down the LED, right there. So that's good that they're working. That's supposed to get clipped on right there.
Awesome.
All right. So Now that's all set. Where you see it's shiny, we went in there with a plastic epoxy just to help fix it. It's setting right now. It's a little hot and humid out, so it's going to take some time. So I'm going to leave it in this upper position so that it stays flat on it and doesn't drip or run or anything like that. This just goes to show you that, you know, be a little bit gentle when it comes to working on parts that don't want to work. Aftermarket parts, you know, they always are going to need something to help make it work properly. So every car is different. Some you might have to take the whole bumper off. Some it's simple as just a couple bolts and you pop it out. And some you don't even need to take it out. You just go right in there and you can put one in and put one out. So thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, hit that thumbs up. Don't do what we did. All right. Peace. This is what they look like with the lows on, and then with the highs on. You can't even tell the difference. Go back and back. Maybe just a little bit on the right and left hand side. Look how poor this is. This is what the lows look like with the newer style bulbs, and then the highs. Lows. Highs. I think it looks a little bit brighter. What do you think?
I think so.
Yeah. It's definitely more of a focused path of light.
Yeah, which is good.
Yeah.